So is my screen visible?
Yeah. Yes, it's visible.
Just a minute. So this is regarding the corporate overview. I think I'm so lucky to have you on this. Yeah. Let's start with the things. Yeah. So if you see anything around yourself, means anything, any furniture or anything is coated with paint and or coatings to make the surface look good. It should look appealing and aesthetically wise also. It should look good. So my question is, where do we approach this? Does any paint or coating resolves the problems, the critical problems that they are facing due to various factors? These factors may be due to climate or due to human intervention. And due to climate, we are facing extreme cold, extreme heat, and pathogen also. You can see means there is a lot of temperature difference when we are facing extreme cold and extreme heat. There is a lot of difference between that. So this temperature difference causes issues with the surfaces that we are using. These surfaces could be concrete, could be metal, wood, anything. And due to human intervention, we are facing the issues like pollution, waste, high corrosion, and waterproofing and leaching. These all issues make the maintenance cost high, and we do repainting, and due to which there is a lot of carbon footprints that are released in the environment due to repainting or maintenance also. So now we are at the stage which is an irreversible stage of climate change and global warming, which is due to loss high carbon in the environment, so high carbon dioxide and everything. So what we can do for the environment, we can stop this. We cannot reverse it back, but we can stop these by using eco-friendly products that we have. So till now, what we are using is decorative paints and the traditional paints. And these decorative and traditional paints are only used for the aesthetic purpose. And while applying the paints or coatings onto the surface, we usually apply primer before this to increase the adhesion of that product to the surface. So these primer means due to which we can say the paints and coatings that we are using now, they are not having high adhesion property to adhere to the surface for long time. That means they are less durable. So if they are less durable, uh, that means we will have to do maintenance after some times also. So by applying a primer, it becomes a costly thing to for the painting, and we need more time and more labor for this. So what is the significance of a paint that we are using? Are we using a paint only for aesthetic, or does a paint can reduce heat and AC consumption? Why our paints are not means have long durability, and can we protect our surfaces using a paint? The major question arises next is can we remove patches properly from the walls? I think we have answer of this is no. So next question is if we have a wet or damp wall, we do not suggest anybody to apply paint on that, but we do have a product, a solution for this too. And can we clean a paint? We have a paint that can clean by itself. We have a self-cleanable paint also, but as far as I know, in the market we don't have that type of product. Next is paint. Can paint safeguard you from the infection? Is it possible? So we do have a solution for all this. So what we do is at Starshield we reduces the maintenance cost and provide a sustainable energy efficient solution which are having good looks and provide you functionality. So I'm playing this video. If it is audible to you, do let me know please. So, is there any permission need to be given for this
Mm, no, the audio is not getting played, so it is from your side.
from my side?
Because you are sharing just your screen.
Okay. Should I do it again?
Yeah, you can.
So still it is not working. I don't know.
It's okay if it's not playing. You can send
I'll
it to
sh-
us.
yeah, I'll
It, you know.
share you this link. I don't know why it is not
I
working.
think you just go ahead without
Yeah.
it.
Okay. So why Starshield is different? Starshield is different because we are manufacturing paints which are not good for which means which are giving you great looks along with the critical solutions,
Hello?
solution for critical problems. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, yes, you are. Yes, we can hear you. Please continue.
There is some background voice.
Yeah, you
Okay,
can continue.
yeah.
You're audible.
So we do have our own infrastructure where we manufacture the paints. We have our backbone as research and development. Until now, we were into R&D, as you may all know that. So during R&D, we have these nano modified paints and coatings infused with this. So till now, what we have accomplished is at Starshield, we are a research-based company which infuse nanomaterial into paints and coatings to make them smart. That gives the functionality of protection from heat, cold, water, dust, corrosion, fire, and virus. So we are the world's first paint company who has been certified as ESCO Energy Service Company. And ESCO, I'll let you know in the coming slides. I think you are aware of this, Madhav ji, and you are Mr. Sir also. And we are among the market research leading reports among top 10. And these top 10 include ExxonMobil, PPG, 3M, many big companies which are in this domain. We have more than 130 plus revolutionary products. We have our export in 45 plus countries. More than 5,000 there are national and global clients we do have. We are following various standards like ASTM, ISO, EN, and we have our registration and certification in 40 plus global organizations. We are using Indo-European technology for our paints and coatings. We have in-house R&D, and we have more than 18 plus national and global patents with us. So one more thing is we have developed a product that is Star Virus Shield, which is an antiviral nanomaterial which kills coronavirus within 30 seconds, and this product is certified by Europe. So what is a nanomaterial? I don't have to explain much. I think you all know. Nanomaterial, 1 nanometer is 10 to the power minus 9 of a meter. They act as a semiconductor to add the functionality to paints and coatings. And these functionality may be heat resistance, maybe stain repellency, maybe anti-graffiti. That depends upon product to product. So this is the study TEM and SEM's analysis, which shows that the nanomaterial that we are using are less than 100 nanometer. So this shows 80 nanometer, and this graph shows that the size of nanometer that we are using are 30 nanometers. So I was talking about ESCO, Energy Service Company. Energy Service Company means providing product and services without taking a penny from the customer. And this is certified by Bureau of Energy Efficiency, BEE. So this is the energy saving data that we have for the glass coating. We have a product Star Heat Shield that can be applied on glass, which reduces 96% of heat raise. There, the red line is showing about the transmission. So here you can see the transmittance value of glass applied with Star Heat Shield is very low as compared to simple and low E value glass. Here you can see the solar radiation. There is a big difference between glass applied with Star Heat Shield and a normal glass. This is a study from morning 8 a.m. till 7 p.m. in the evening. And this is the graph of showing heat came from all the directions, south, east, northwest, where a glass coated with Star Heat Shield is very low as compared to the low E double layer and clear glass. So we are having 16.6% of saving by using the products, by using this product. I don't know what is happening over here. So 16.6% of saving we are gaining by using this product. And this study is previous study like 3 to 4 years back. Now we are having this renewed again. Have you heard, means you already know about net zero decarbonization, energy efficiency, carbon credit. So we are working in that scenario. So what we are doing is we are in this solution, we are providing energy audits. We are giving, making the ESG reports. Then we'll give them the sustainable solution. Then the product supplies provided to the customer. Then carbon credit calculation is there. Then report is created. Then there is an end-to-end carbon management like this. Through this slide, I want to tell you that we are providing end-to-end solution. Means we are not giving paints and coatings. We are giving them proper energy solution through which they can save their carbons and save the Mother Earth too.
Yes, I would like to stop here to ask you some question at
Yes,
this
sir.
point. At this slide,
Yes, sir.
you know, what you're saying now is beside providing the paint,
Hmm.
you're providing all the services. Is
Yes,
that
sir.
correct?
Yes, sir.
So you are providing beside the paints.
Yes, sir.
So you're doing a comprehensive energy audit,
One
and
second,
then
sir. Paint is a part of this service. Paint is a small part of this solution. Yeah.
yeah, but I mean, yes,
Hmm.
if we keep the paint aside now,
Yes, sir.
I'm talking about these services, which is
Okay.
basically an energy audit. For
Correct,
example,
sir.
you are doing an energy audit, so
Hmm.
that's regardless of the paint. So they will just, for example, will say, okay, this building will consume this much, and then you put the paint, and then you can, again do the calculation of the energy. When you
Hmm.
talk about ESG reporting and advisory, that's also another business by itself. Then you talk about customized sustainable solutions,
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
product supply for efficiency, carbon credit calculations.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
You will carbon credit calculations for any building or the buildings that actually will be quoted for with Starshield.
Okay. So, till now, we are using our products because we have the confidence in our products that they will give energy saving. Using another product, for that, we need to have the confidence, we need to have those test reports to apply them. But apart from paints and coatings, what we can do is there are many other things like LED lights, lights in place of normal lights, and then there is water harvesting solutions also. So for that we are collaborating with other companies too, but as far paints and coatings are concerned, for that we are providing our products only because we have confidence in them only.
Yeah, but
And we have already shown you the reports. I think Supreet must have shown you that they are giving you energy saving. Yes.
yes, I get that. But
Hmm.
here, just in this particular
Hmm.
uh, slide,
Hmm.
is sustainability reporting.
Correct,
Develop
sir.
detailed sustainability reports highlighting energy saving, emission reduction, and ESG impact. This is related to the coat of paint using Starshield, or is it just in general for any building?
Means
This is
you
my
want
question.
to ask, we I'm not getting clear. Means
Yeah,
what
my
question?
question is that all these services here,
Hmm.
we have 10 circles,
Hmm, hmm,
okay?
hmm, hmm.
Each one contains some elements. Are
Huh.
these
Hmm.
specifically for Star Shield paint, or are these services general services that you are providing
For
along
any.
with, yes, along with the paint? Is it separate or no? This is only related to the paint. These services, these 10.
So we haven't expanded it much till now. We are only providing solution till now for paints, Starshield paints, and apart from that, small solutions like lighting and means like there are many things, like there are water management also, and there is waste management also, that we haven't gone into deep into that
No,
till now.
no, no.
But
I'm
as
talking
for
about. I'm sorry. I'm talking about only this slide.
this
When
is
you
for,
said carbon credit calculations,
yes sir,
okay, help clients calculate and monetize carbon saving through certified process and reports.
correct.
Is this a general service or is this only for Starshield products?
That is what I am telling you na. We are applying only our products for Starshield products. If we are going for general, till now we haven't gone for general, as I
Okay,
means this is not, I
got it.
haven't been
So,
conveyed to that. Till now we are
so
using only Starshield products, sir.
okay, because it is really confusing this because when you
Sir,
talk about end carbon management, assist clients in achieving carbon neutrality with life cycle analysis, carbon
correct,
footprint assessment, and
correct, sir.
offset strategies. This cannot be related to the paint. This has to be something beside the paints
Okay,
because to achieve an carbon neutrality, it's impossible to achieve it with the paint
through paints.
only.
I know, sir.
Yeah,
Uh,
so it has to be with
it
other services that you're providing.
that is
So
what
my
I'm.
question was, is it separate? Is it in line? Or is it something extra you're providing, or no, just this is just an example?
No, sir. This field is a little separate. It's another vertical, means in which we do carbon credit. We do this complete report with this carbon credit solution for whole buildings. Okay. In this, not only paints and coatings are there. Calculating carbon includes many things. So we are calculating it on all the provisions that are there. Okay, all the
Okay,
solutions that they need, we give them the report, and in that we are providing our solution along with all the solutions that we can provide them, like as I told you, like uh, this one, electricity and anything
yes.
else. But for water and waste, these two verticals we haven't started yet, and we are not
O-
into that till now.
Okay, I know
So
for
for
water
that we
and
can take outsources, or we can outsource that too.
yes. Okay,
Hmm.
let me just again, because this is important, this one here.
Yes sir.
So, for example, when you said end-to-end carbon management,
Hmm.
okay,
We
usually carbon management is not, you're not talking about only buildings. It
Yes
could
sir.
be something else beside the buildings,
Yes sir.
right?
Yes sir.
Okay, so you provide that. I will take it that you provide that solution. This is
Yes,
important, very important.
this is
This
very
slide
important. And Mr.
is very
Vinod,
important
yes sir,
to see
Mr.
what
Yes
are
sir.
the services you provide beside the paint.
Yes sir. So the
Okay,
sustainability head of our company, Mr. Vinod Susu, with whom you have met in the last meeting, he
yeah,
is the main head in this carbon credit and sustainability thing.
yeah. Okay, so
Yeah.
but anyhow, so actually you provide this.
Yes sir.
You help the clients to transition to
We
renewable energy, reduce greenhouse gases.
correct,
So
sir.
you work with all these areas,
Yes,
all
sir.
these 10 areas you're
Yes,
working.
and we
Okay,
have a
okay,
report for this too. We have
okay.
done a
So you,
hospital.
you have
Yeah.
actually the expertise to do all this work, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We have. So we
Okay.
have already done in a hospital, Medanta Hospital, and one or two other also. We have two,
Yeah,
three reports for this.
that's my question was just to see that you are offering these services beside the pen. Sorry to interrupt you, but this is
No,
very
sir.
important.
And this is you means this is another thing. One question, one is of this is with capex also and without capex also. Means the it's customer choice that he wants it using he want to pay money for this, or he want to do it for an ESCO also.
Yeah, you will do the ESCO, right?
Hmm.
Both ESCO or it could be for money, right? These two you provide.
Yes, sir.
So somebody says that, look, I will, pay from, you just give me, you finance it, everything, and then after that, you know, you you get it into the system and get paid.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So should I switch to next slide? Any other query you have?
Yes, 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 please. Yes, go ahead.
Okay. So this is the energy saving category that I have told you that we are giving the LCAs, and by minimizing energy loss, you can reduce the reliance on air conditioning and you can conserve your energy. So this is the almost same thing that I have told in the last slide. So regarding Star Virus Shield that I have told you in the achievements, this is a nanomaterial which is a certified killer of coronavirus. So if we have gone means in the market, we have seen that all the sanitizers there is it's written that 100%, 99% germ free, 99% bacteria free, but nobody claim for virus. But this product kills virus, and we have the reports of this too. This is a non-toxic product which has a long-lasting effect. It is certified through Europe. It has the reduction rate of greater than 5.73 log 10. So, okay, this is another product, Star Heat Shield. Star Heat Shield are available in three variants. One is for normal glasses, facades, windows that we are using domestic and offices. One is an industrial, which can use for industrial glass, and this one is for car windshield. So, we are the world's first paint company who has developed this anti-heat coating for car windshields. So, by applying this, there is a means there is a reduction of 96% of IRAs, which which give you the comfort inside, which decreases the temperature or incoming heat, and due to which you will not experience high AC consumption that saves your fuel and lowers your costing while driving. So these are the segments that we are dealing in. These are architectural coating, construction chemical, automobile coating, industrial coatings, and inks which are coming soon, not yet. We have many categories with us. These are heat protective, smart paints, protective coatings, nanomaterial, waterproofing, car care, construction chemical, floor coatings, innovative, and then we have fire protection, wood coatings, and these are in more than 1,000 plus shades that we have. So these are the categories that we have shown. The application areas may be if you have any application area like glass, exterior, interior, roof, metal, road, floor, construction, solar panel, car, means we have a versatility in this application area. For each application area, we have a product for that. The target market would be
Sorry,
yes,
excuse
sir.
me.
Yes,
Can you
sir.
go back to the
Yes, sir.
slide?
Yes, sir.
Now, okay, I understand the exterior, the roof, the metal shed. What about the interior? When you
Interior
say interior
we have
furniture,
interior.
what, yeah, what is the advantage of the
Means
application interior? It
you
will
are
be
continue, sir.
the first. The first one, the first part is interior.
Hmm.
How does that work?
Okay. For interiors, we have the paints which are self-cleanable, which are mosquito repelling paint. We have
Okay.
rodent repelling paint. We have
Okay.
paint that is gives you good fragrance. We have
Okay.
color changing paint which can change the color as per the environment, the climate temperature changes. So we have
Okay.
mhm.
Yes. What about the furniture? What it is?
For furniture we have wood products that are protecting the wood from various factors that deteriorates the surface of wood.
Okay.
It increases the shine and glossy
And for
life
the
of.
road,
For
for the road,
yes, for road we have road marking paint, thermoplastic paint. We have road repair also, and
okay.
there is a product gloss shield that is applicable on the panels that are present on the uh, sides of the road.
Okay. What
Yeah.
about the solar panels?
For solar panel, we have solar shield that is a transparent coating that
Okay.
reduces the accumulation of dust on that, because
Okay.
mainly dust is the main hindrance which decreases
Yes,
the performance of solar panel.
absolutely.
So
Very good.
it is an
Yes. Yes.
hydrophobic coating.
Okay. Very good.
Hmm.
And the cars?
For cars, we have, like I told you, star heat shield for car windshields. Then we have star car shield and insulation shield for the interior of car to reduce the incoming heat. Then we have automotive paint also. I'm coming to those slides also. We have uh, in this those slides I'll tell you about the products also. Some of the products are there.
Okay. All right.
Hmm.
And the construction chemicals?
Yes, so we have construction chemicals. We have the
What's the
products that
advantage?
increases the tensile and compressive strength of the construction chemicals. I'm
Okay.
coming to
Okay.
those slides too. They are in
Ah,
upcoming year.
okay. Thank you very much. Okay.
Yeah.
For solar panel, just to get more clarity, if we use, say, it's heat shield product on a transparent heat shield product on solar panel,
Hmm.
can it save from the burning of, solar cells? Because sometimes with overheating,
Hmm.
the cell gets burned and destroyed permanently. So can we avoid that with heat shield applied on paint?
So for solar panel to work, it needs a minimal amount. Means there is an optimum range for the temperature to work for the performance. We
Yeah.
definitely need heat for that. So we can't uh, means block the heat to come on the solar panel, but we can limit it by I don't know, star heat shield will work or not. That is uh, means Supreet will tell you more about this. But yeah, we have a product that is in R&D, that is Star Solar Heat Shield, that can be applied on solar panels, and I think it might reduce some of the. It is an under R&D, so I can't claim you that much.
And
Hmm.
this product, what you were explaining for interior,
Hmm.
like, for rodent or mosquito or fragrance,
Hmm.
are these different paints that you have to apply differently, or is it one single paint which has these multiple, characteristics?
So these are different pins.
So
One is
basic,
Star Mosquito Shield, one is Star Fragrance Shield, one is Star Magic Shield, having different properties in them.
no, but if somebody want to have, say the two characteristic for interior, so
Hmm.
do you have to apply two layers, or if we apply second layer, then first layer vanishes? How does that work?
So for that we have to customize that, because
No, but
if
then
somebody
one
wants,
single paint be customized like that.
yes sir, we can do that, but till now we have separate paints for separate issues.
Please
Hello.
continue. Yeah, yeah, please
Hello.
continue. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, yes, please continue.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
So the target market we are dealing is B2B, B2C, and B2G. These include the defense industry, societies, contractors, everybody. So this is a heat protective category. I'll tell you more about this now. This is a cool shield, star cool shield, having highest SRA 130, applicable on roof, reduces heat up to 97%. This is Cool Shield Plus with an additional factor of waterproofing. This is Cool Shield for walls. It is available in different colors also. Now this is a Cool Shield that is applicable on floor, because for floor we need a tough coating. And now there is a Cool Shield Star Cool Shield Light. It is having not 9 means 90% of heat reduction. This is this same Cool Shield in small version. Yeah. Now, Star Cool Shield Industrial is applicable on GI sheds and metallic roofs. Star Heat Shield, you all know about that. This is a glass coating applicable on glass, reducing 96%. This is Star Heat Shield Industrial. I have told you for industrial glass. This is an aerosol which you just spray and it works. It do the work of it spreads on the surface and then curing is needed. Then thermal shield is for boilers, industrial pipelines, um, hot kilns, and everything for industrial. Now, insulation shield is applicable from the inside. Now, insulation shield is also a heat reducing thing that is applicable for inside for metal pipes. Then there is an insulation foam, vacuum shield, and ice shield. These are yet to become these two things. Three things. This also. This is a heat protective range that we have. Then waterproofing. We have transparent coating. We have repairing URP also that is applicable on the roof for repairing. Then water seal is a product for it's a two component product. You can apply it for the waterproofing in roof, bathrooms, everything. Leak proof is an injectable product. You can inject it and the water inside gets soaked up into this material. Then we have crack shield. Then we have aqua shield is a product that is in white color. Sorry, white, applicable on the roof in areas where waterproofing is needed. Then we have this damp shield. This is applicable on wet and damp walls. Concrete shield is a product that is a curing and replacing the primer. Uh, it's a curing and waterproofing agent both. Then rubber shield is also there. So we have many products, many range in waterproofing. Then now is smart paints. As I've told you, Star Luxury Design is a designer range that we have with us. Then we have premium emulsion, smart paint. This is a mosquito shield, mosquito repellent paint. It's a rodent repellent, Star rodent shield. Stain shield reduces it, repels the stain to stick on that. Virus shield is a product that is helpful in health clinics and hospitals to reduce the bacteria and germs and virus in the environment. Then fire shield is a product. So fire shield is a product that can resist fire up to 3 to 4 hours. This is a real study that we have done. We have experimented it, and we have a video of this on our YouTube live video. So far we have in our means market we have a product that can resist fire up to 2 hours, but this product is resisting up to 3 to 4 hours. So this is a wonderful product we have. Then Magic Shield is a product that change the color as the means if there is a winter there is another color, then in summers there is another color. As the temperature changes, it changes the color of itself. Fragrance Shield gives you good fragrance in the room. Sound Shield is a anti-acoustic. Interior Shield, Smart Paint Gloss Shield is applicable on the roadsides. Glow Shield that glows in the night. Then we have anti-carbonation paint. Then we have silicate paint. Then we have Cool Shield walls from the outside. Dirt Shield doesn't it repels the dirt. Sorry. Then we have Oxy Shield, a natural paint that is made using natural things. Then we have a Star Shield putty. Then we have one more thing, Cool Plaster, that is not here in this catalog. Cool Plaster is a heat reflective, heat reducing plaster. applicable on the surface. So for protective coatings, we have lamination shield. Lamination shield is a product. It's a transparent coating having 9H hardness, having anti-graffiti, anti-soiling, stain repellent, water repellent, oil repellent. It resists you. It is a chemical repellent. It resists from, protects you from alkali, and it has a long durability. It is applicable on all the painted surface. It increases the life of the paint and of the surface too. So this lamination is a very good product. As you must have seen that in the schools also we laminate a paper, we laminate our iCards. Same thing is applicable here. We are laminating a painted surface using this lamination shield. It increases the life of the surface and the paint. Then we have metal shield, that is an anti-corrosive paint for metals. Wood shield, as I've told you. Then we have glass shield, hydrophobic transparent coating for. Then we have solar shield, paper shield, corrosion shield, acid shield, that is an anti-acidic, reduces the effect of acids in the industrial areas. Then we have fabric shield, that is applicable on like sofa cover and in all the interiors to make them stain resistant. Then we have fog shield, which is applicable on the car windshield, of course, to remove the on the glass surfaces to remove the fog accumulation. Radiation shield, marine shield for sea ships and boats. For coils, we have coil shield, epoxy, stone shield. Many things are there. Now we are switching to floor coatings. For floor, we have floor paint, floor shield, floor shine. PU flooring, we have anti-skid coating, we have road marking, we have thermoplastic, and we have road repair for roads. For construction chemicals, I have told you that these three products, cement shield, these are increasing the compressive and tensile strength of the construction chemical by 30 and 50% respectively. Then we have tile adhesive, expansion shield, and epoxy grout. For car care, we have car shield, insulation shield, self-healing, and an automotive paint. For antiviral range, we have nano coating, we have surface disinfectant, we have sanitizer, we have HVAC product, we have soap, we have a star virus shield fabric also. So apart from this, we are into innovative like rodent spray, mosquito spray, and agri shield for agriculture purposes. And for smart painting services, we have our own equipments, transport team, and customized solution as per the product needs, as per the customer is needing. So for smart painting services, we have our own end-to-end paint solution. We are assisting in um, application by providing them tools, equipments. We have our own transport. This is available for Pan India. So it gives you a trusted expert team that gives you quality and efficient painting services at your area. So this is the eco label. As I've told you, I think Supreet has also told you, most of the products are Green Pro approved. Green Pro gives you a trusted reports that gives you a certification that the paints are having low VOC and they are eco-friendly and they are right choice for the future buildings and construction. So we have national patent, global patent, international search report, and star heat shield patent. This is the patent that we have for nanoparticle for Starshield, I have told you. And there are various research papers. More than 52 research papers are published. And where they are published in the international journals like Springer, Elsewhere, and SCI. These are the research papers that we have, and we are working on these two. These may be biogas, these may be alkaline wastewater, these may be um, simulated nitrate wastewater again, then silver nanoparticle, bagasse, nicotinic acid, landfill gas, electrolysis, precipitation. There are many means research papers that are into the pipeline till now. So regarding global recognition, I have told you that we are among the top 10 key players. And in which category we have? So for that categorization, we have global cool roof market, global antimicrobial topical market, global hydrophobic thermal barrier coating market. These are the research papers who have published our names, reports and data market intelligence. Then we have crack innovation, star panel, global heat ray, global insulation, acrylic crack proof, heat resistant, solvent based, and nano paints, global paint and film market, water resistant, anti graffiti, nano clear, solar heat ray shield, and crack proof market. So there are many market research reports we have in our name. Regarding registration and certifications, we have BIS, MES, Green Pro, ISHRE, ADB, IGBC, CE, CTBTO, ADB, then UNDP, UNAIDS, Indian Trade Center, Z, World Trade Organization, GREHA, Leeds, Texas, Nexus, QCI. There is a list of these. So UNICEF, ASHRAE, Smart 50, GEM, American Center, UNESCO. So regarding the achievement, these are the some of the achievement that I have listed over here. Is one is there is an invitation from US Embassy to showcase our innovation over there. Then there is Mr. Taha, who is the chairman of UK Asia Business Council. He has taken the interview of Supreet regarding the antiviral product that we have created in 2000, I think 20. He has taken. So in Canada, they are facing heat issues from last 4 to 5 years, and they have given us a letter of support to expand our business over there using TBDC through TBDC soft landing program. So in Germany, we have been selected for the Indo-German Management Training Program by GIZ. We have been selected in India in the first edition of Startup School by Google Global. Then in Dubai World Expo 2020, we are the startup delegation from India. We represent from here. And International Accelerator SSXW in Texas, we are the among top 20 from the world, and from India, we are the only one who has been selected over there. This is a great achievement that we have. So the clients worldwide, we have Indian Railway, RBI, Hero, Vedanta, Retreat, Asian Paints, Rixos, Nexus, IIT, CEL, Hilton, Ultratech, uh, ISRO, Coal India, Shri Balaji Toshiba, now PNB Prestige, Jubilant, Stride, CPWD, Lulu, CSIR. Then we have eSmart, we have Rotana, we have Landmark, Dubai Auto Gallery, Aga Khan, Reliance, Max2. So there are many others also, as they are into the pipeline, means Tata Motors have also been approved, but they are not in this slide. So we haven't added those till now in the slide. Tata Group, and then Hero Motors, then we have Reliance, then we have ISRO. We have done the work over there also. So why you should Starshield is a big question that everybody has. So this is a slide that I have shown you. Then I'm showing you this. Intel is having some issues in their chipset. So they have selected Starshield to solve their issue. And due to NDA, we are not disclosing that. So the question here is if Intel is there to trust us, why not you? Then this is again a video. If it plays, I think it will not play again. I'll share you these links. I don't know why these media are not playing over there. So this is a proof of performance. At Reliance, we have done a pilot project and we have been approved. We have got this mail. They are finding a good result. They are finding saving in the terms of energy consumption, so they have opted to choose us. And all over India, pan India, we have got more than 15,000 retail stores to give them the energy solution using our paints and coatings. So this is the support letter from Canada, which I've told you before. So this is what we have in our company profile. Okay,
Thank you very much.
so
Yes, very good. If you kindly share it, can you share the presentation with us also and the video so that we can look at it,
so video I'll
please?
share you regarding the presentation.
Yes,
I'll yeah, I'll tell means I'll have to ask Supreet and then.
yes,
So this is the presentation only for the company profile. Next, the
yes,
presentation is how we can expand our business in the market
yes.
for distribution. So if you have any question for this,
No, no, I don't have any questions clear, and
hmm,
I think uh, we need the presentation to study it more in details. And
hmm,
just to let you know, what we have asked now is the map of uh, basically where is Starshield now, in which country, and what do they have? You have their representative, you have, we need to see a clear picture of the whole of where Starshield is worldwide. In order for us also to put a strategy, we need to know,
hmm,
we don't need to know the names now. We need just to see the picture, the big picture.
okay,
Where
we
is
do.
Starshield? Let's
Yes,
say,
sir.
for example, it is in Denmark, for example. Okay,
Hmm,
what is you say? Okay, we have a retailer there which we work with, or agent, or something.
hmm, hmm, hmm.
So we need to plot that so that we can see the big picture, and accordingly we can say, okay, this is how we're going to work, and we're going to work with the existing what you have. We're not going to rock the boat at all. So we're not going to disrupt all your work. That's not our objective. Our objective is to develop what you have done and go more globally
Yes,
in
sir.
a lab. So that's what we hope we can achieve.
Yes, sir.
So
We also hope the same.
yeah, we
That is why
we
we are connected over
uh,
here. Yeah.
yeah,
Hmm,
maybe we have to locate. That's why I said that with this innovation hub in Abu Dhabi, which we're developing.
hmm, hmm, hmm.
I was thinking that okay, the presence there, because there you are actually in the spotlight for, especially in the green cluster, where it is the headquarter, Abu Dhabi, which is Masdar basically, is headquarter for the IRENA. And there we have captive 170 countries that have ratified the agreement. And being there close to them, we can
Hmm.
actually construct something that can expand quicker and in a way more effective. That's why we need to know also all the services. That's why I ask these questions about what are other services you're providing, because
Okay.
then we can combine everything. So there is the paint, but there is also the other thing.
Yes, sir.
We work with partners,
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
and these partners could actually complement when you talk about, for example, carbon credit. We're working with partners that they have already have a sort of system to trade in the carbon credit. So you see, everything could connect it together.
Yes, sir.
So
So,
plus we have satellite, they have satellite sort of availability to check where are
hmm.
the emissions, where is the problem, where is this thing. Then you
Okay.
come up with a solution. So everything has to complement each other to be very
Correct.
effective. And that's the way we're looking. We're looking at more integration rather than segmentation.
Correct,
Because
sir.
most of the people don't look at just one specific. They have a problem, but the problem, if it is integrated with other things, it become more.
More.
Yeah, they
Yeah.
get more response, and also it makes more sense,
Yes, sir. So that
especially when
is
you talk.
why. And that is why we have introduced this into our paints and coating. Because, sir,
Yes,
we are providing not the normal paints and coatings. These paints and coatings are the need of an hour. So if they are giving the savings, so why not sustainability? So
yes,
sustainability is a very big issue, and that will prevail for long, because as per government norms also, we everybody have to reduce the carbon footprints in the atmosphere. Everybody have to release the carbon release, and
yes,
this will work when we all will work in together. So
yes,
this
yes,
is not a plan to just make a plan on the pen and paper. We need to work on this, and for working, we need the collaboration of all the verticals that are incorporated in sustainability. So that includes paints also, that includes water also, that include electricity and waste, and everything is incorporated. So we need to have to do it in collaboration with others too. And this is a big means that would go for long. Yes,
okay,
sir.
thank you very much. And I think the next
Yeah.
step to
S-
to get the slides,
Yes, sir.
plus also with that map. It is very important to get
Yes,
this
sir.
map up to you now
Uh,
what I'm doing, and then so
I
that we
Sorry to
can,
interrupt you. There is one more presentation that would be a little means I'll show you quickly, so that it should finish as soon as possible. Just let me start with that too. I think my so this is the regarding the distribution policy that we have in our company. So if you're dealing in paints and coatings and you are from this domain, then this presentation is for you. As far as global market is concerned for smart paints and coatings, it is in 2019 it was 137,100 million USD, and from and 2027 it is expected to grow at 172,960 million USD, and this is at a CAGR rate of 5.8%. And this slide has been created, I think, 6 to 7 months back, but now this CAGR rate has increased from 5.8 to 11.2%. So there is a much growth than expected in smart paints and coatings. So as uh, per capita paint consumption is regarded, per capita paint consumption per annum is in India it's 0.5 kg, in Canada it's 13.7, and in developed economies it is 22 kilogram. So there is a much expectation that we have. So expected considerable growth in future is mostly in Asia Pacific, that is 49%. Then in 23% in Europe, 20 in North America, and rest is 8%. As far as Indian paint industry is concerned, ये क्या हुआ है? नेट गया? Oh my God, ये भी नहीं चल रहा नेट. नीचे का भी नहीं चल रहा, हमारा भी नहीं चल रहा. ये कैसे हो गया? मैसेज भेजती हूँ. मोबाइल डाटा से चल जाएगा ना? ये चलने में भी देर लगेगी ना इसको भी. 2 मिनट तो लगेंगे, वो चले जाएंगे यार. हेलो सर, वो एक्चुअली यहाँ पे नेट एकदम चला गया, मैं कनेक्ट कर रही हूँ दोबारा से. Hello.
Yeah.
So sorry for that. I think uh, connection was lost at my end. So that is why I have to rejoin again. Yeah. Should I share my screen again? Okay. So uh, so is it visible?
Yes, yes, it is. Yes.
So
Please go ahead.
where were we?
Yeah.
Have
Yeah.
I gone
Okay.
through all this?
No, no. Go ahead. Just go ahead. Yes.
I was here.
Yeah, you are here.
Okay.
Yes.
From
So I was telling you that as for global paint market is concerned for smart paints and coatings, it is 137100 million USD in 2019, but now it is 172960 million USD, expected in 2027 at a CAGR rate of 5.8%. But now this percent has been increased to 11.2%. Recently I've checked this CAGR rate, so there is a much expected growth as we are expecting till now. So per capita paint consumption per annum is in India 0.5 kg, Canada 13.7, in developed economies it is 22 kgs per capita per annum. So there is a much means expected growth in this domain. So in Asia Pacific, it is 49% of expected considerable growth in future. So I think there are higher opportunities for us to grow now. In Indian paint industry, the CAGR rate is increasing by double digit, be it is in North India, South India, East or West. So we are in the current situation of pandemic. So due to pandemic, the online doors have been opened, and these are opened by the big companies. So the reseller is left empty handed because he has no option of online, but the industries are present in online platforms, so everybody can buy them. So reseller is mostly being suffered during this pandemic. So as a paint industry, before it was growing, now also growing, but if there is a reseller, he is growing before pandemic, but now his growth has been, it is stagnant. So why they are left behind? Because due to they have only offline option, they are not present online, due to which they are facing low sale, less profit, there is lack of investment, and due to the presence of companies online, they are facing more competition. Stagnant business means no growth. The business is going, but they're not growing as the means market is growing, but there is no growth in their business. So they are also facing an issue of insufficient funds, due to which they have to leave the big projects. What are the factors behind stagnancy? These are the factors, means they are only in the offline sale. They are they have no option of online. Even they are not familiar with the online, because my parents and some of the many things are there, because most of the person they are using outdated marketing also. They have a limited area, they have traditional products having no unique proposition, and there is a lack of innovation also. So if they want to join a decorative paint company, they need to have a big amount with them, and this amount needs to be invested in infrastructure, stock, labor, machinery maintenance, and digital support. So the question I generally ask with them now is how their business is growing. Is it good, average, or low? And if they are bound with any restrictions or not. So they all answer about that. And they have the do they have any key to fix these issues? So if they are joining with Starshield, they are having an opportunity to grow, because our motto, our policy is we grow together. If Starshield is growing, The person who is joined with the Starshield, may it be a dealer or contractor or distributor, will also experience a big growth with us. So, and this growth would be without any additional expenditure. So the difference between Starshield and decorative paint companies, they are providing traditional paints, we are providing smart paints. They are giving you offline option, but we are giving you online and offline both. You will get the benefit in all conditions. And by online promotion, the profit margin can be gained, and that is without investment. But with those companies, you need to have a big investment. There, you will have an area wise sale. Here, you can sell all over the world. There, you will experience a tough competition, but with us, you will not experience the same because we are giving you many things that are coming in the coming slides. The target market is again the same that I've told you, B2B, B2C, and B2G. They can sell the material in EMI. They can give one time also. We have supplied to B2B and B2C. Starshield model is to work with reseller and the stockist both. And the reseller have both option, offline and online. In online, they have social media, website, WhatsApp, and blogs. The support from Starshield is ad videos, support, product training, catalog, IT support, and there will be some regular webinars to increase their credibility. And the selected dealers or distributors will get their presence by having their own landing page on the website to increase their traffic and their margin too. The benefits that they will gain is they will be providing a trackable link which is password protective, that increases the transparent trade between us, and sharing this link to multiple groups or anybody else will track their number of clients and their margin. So we are giving them demo kits so that they can give the presentation live in front of the client to increase the visibility and sale. We will give them stock management software to reduce the time for and to track their stock. And we are giving them opportunities in government tenders because we are registered in many government portals, so they can bid over there and take the tenders. And in case they have their profile which is not matching as per the tender, they can use our profile to take the tender. In private sector, we have already done vendor assessment, but so to avoid the lengthy process, they can have the benefit or taking of bidding the tender in private sector too. If there is a material supply, okay, here this slide shows that if there is a material supply of a project, the delivery will be done by the nearest dealer. It will convert their margin. Means the other dealer which is delivering will have the margin by delivering it. I'll tell you that in the coming slides. So if there is a big project, for big project, the economic assistance can be provided by Starshield in case they don't have this finance with this to gain the project. And in case there are some research is needed in big projects, then also we are ready to do the research. So the reseller will gain all round profit in if we just supply, if we just give the inquiry, if we just share a link or sell. This is the benefit chart. We have divided the things in three parts in inquiry, sale, and delivery. This is 1/3 of the part will be awarded at each step. If the reseller is means the inquiry is from reseller, sale is also from him, and delivery is also by reseller. 100% margin is awarded to him. In case one part is done by reseller like inquiry and other two are done by Starshield, then 33.3% is given to him of the margin. And in case two parts are done by reseller like inquiry or sale or delivery or any other two parts, then 66.6% margin is awarded to him. And in case there are two resellers, like one is doing inquiry and sale and one is doing delivery, then also uh, means one person who is doing delivery will get 33%, rest 66.6% will be awarded to the other reseller. So our main thing is that if somebody is residing in India and he's taking the project over in Abu Dhabi or somewhere else, or outside India, or maybe in India also, like somebody is in Tamil Nadu and took the project in Punjab or Uttar Pradesh. So transportation is means it cost much. It cost, there is a big expense on transportation. So the dealer who is the nearby this Punjab or Uttar Pradesh where he has taken the project will deliver the things over there, or may do the application as per the means concern is there, as per the um, conditions are there. So in both cases, both of the dealers, both reseller and the other person, they both are getting the profit. So this benefit chart shows that we have to work in collaboration.
Yeah.
Means you can take the project from outside your city, outside your state, and outside your country also.
No, this is not clear to me. The last one. If the inquiry is Starshield and
Uh-huh.
sale is Starshield,
And
delivery
then
Starshield,
this
how
hurts.
come the commission is 100%
This is
to,
this 100% margin is for Starshield only. Huh,
okay. But
huh.
here, because there's commission margin.
Huh.
So there's no commission margin here.
Okay,
So here should be zero.
it should be zero. Yeah, it should be zero.
Yeah,
Pointed it. Yeah.
yeah. Okay,
I think
it's confusing.
rest of the chart is clear to you.
Yeah, the other clear. This one is not. Okay.
Okay. So this, as I've told you, that we are not giving a limited area to grow. We have, as in the previous slide, I've told you that globe is the limit. You can sell everywhere. So this benefit chart explains this point. You can sell everywhere. You can do the business everywhere. So I think this is clear. So next is you will have the exclusive area-wise product availability that reduces your pricing war, that ensures opportunity in sustainability growth, sustainable growth, sorry, and that reduces the competition of nearby shops. So next is we are providing them a complete marketing tool package. This includes chatbot, messaging platform, IVR systems to increase their sale and growth. Next is one-stop solution. This is a very good slide, sir. We are on our own Starshield AI, like ChatGPT. We have our own AI solution for dealers, distributors, so that if they have any problem, any doubt, they can put there. They will get the result over there, and this is means an updated result that is having a complete product knowledge in that. It will give the customer satisfaction that can be accessible at 24/7. So you will get an instant expert support through this AI. And there are many reasons now to join Starshield. These are innovative products, ESCO project, unique link. You will get benefit in online and offline. You will get no boundaries to work. You will have a stock management software. You will be having a demo kit to present the things. You have inquiry software, and you will get the economic support in big projects, and you will get a monopoly in your chosen pin code. You will get the margin. Everything is there, I think so. So why you are waiting? You have to do the registration at once as to grow. Now somebody asked, means some persons normally ask you why registration is there. So registration is to avoid the person who are just here for they are sent by some competitors to know our policies, and there are some non-serious person also. So we want to eliminate those person. We want to have a genuine and serious partnership. We want to have a trusted network and to have a confidentiality of margins, because for everybody margin will not be same. Dealer will have different margin, distributor will have different. For that we have put this registration over there. That is important for for the first step. So this is the, I think this is the last slide of Starshield. These are the areas in all over the globe that we have already been already exported our product over there. So I think this is the end of the presentation. Yeah. So,
Thank you very
sir,
much. Thank
am
you.
I
That's
right?
very, yeah, that's very, actually,
Hmm.
very enlightening, and it's a good presentation. Thank you very much.
Huh.
Um, and as I said, let's now go to the next step. Let's
Hmm.
get some, some information about all these areas, and then we will come up also with how we're going to work, where, and everything upon receiving all this information. And we look forward really to work together and to take this to a sort a second level or a higher level.
So, how do you find our plan, or have any inputs of yours in this marketing strategy and
We have to
everything?
study it. No, we have to study it. We have to study. That's why I need the presentation. We have to study it along with the team and then see, come up with the whole thing. But it's good that you made this presentation because give us a good idea about
Hmm.
what are the areas that Starsheet covers,
Yes, sir, where
and
we are working and how we are working.
areas, yes, which is very, very interesting.
Mm.
Take into consideration all of that. It's not just a heat reduction, but it
Hmm.
varies into so many applications, including car industries and others.
Yes,
And
sir.
we have also to these sort of industries, and we will see now how we can put a plan together. So, thank you very much.
Uh, Madhav, sir, do you have any inputs of yours? Any question?
Just your last slide, what you have shown. So, Dr. Nazar, is that one that you were asking for, like this last slide where you said that you have already exported the product?
Yes,
So,
Yeah,
sir.
are these the places where you have some distributor, or is it that you have exported only the product?
So,
I think I think what we need to know from that, where they just have exported, where they have agents, okay, so that we
Hmm.
can see the whole thing. Because some places maybe there were some one request or two requests and that's it, but they don't have an agent there. So it will help us to see, okay, these are the areas. This
Hmm.
one we have exported, but this one we have an agent. This one we have an agent. This one we have an agent, and
Hmm.
so that we know exactly where you are. And also, if the more information you give to us, the better.
Okay. Some areas we have distribution, but regarding agents, I think Supreet will let you know about that more. Uh,
We're not
yeah.
asking you. I mean,
Hmm.
this will be back to Starshield.
Yeah.
We thank you because you made the presentation. We just thank you, and I think we have now uh, to talk to
Great.
Starshield.
Yeah.
So they have to talk about it. I think
Okay.
we thank you very much for your excellent presentation, and I think we ended up here now. Thank
Okay.
you very much.
In the last two slides, I've shown you that there we have a Starshield AI also. So I think it solves all the problem of the regarding customer satisfaction and regarding any queries. If somebody's means have queries like application and any issues, they can resolve it at once by putting that in this GPT. So this we have just started.
Okay.
Hmm.
Great. Okay.
That's
Thank
good.
you very much.
So thank you. So let's meet with
Thank you.
Supreet, to
Okay.
move forward to understand where exactly Starship is.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
with
Yes,
that
sir.
plan.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank you
sir.
very much.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you,
Thanks a
sir.
lot.
Nice to meet you both. Thank you, sir.
Thank
Bye,
you.
sir. Thank you. Bye.
Bye bye.